As the name implies, Tenax Plant and Pond Protection Net offers protection from predators from plants and shrubs, as well as keeping ponds safe and clean from leaves and debris. Tenax Plant and Pond Net is offered in a variety of roll sizes to meet all your garden protection needs. The available roll sizes are the 6x50, the 7x20, the 7x100, 14x14, 14x30, 14x45, and the 28x28. The more popular size, 7x100, will be the size that is stocked in your stores. The mesh opening of 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch and the black color allows this net to blend well with most every landscape. To deter birds, deer, and other predators from causing damage, Tenax Plant and Pond Net should be draped over plants, shrubs, and trees. This net can also be used over ponds from predator bird protection and to keep out leaves and other debris. Laid over lawns in this fall, Plant and Pond Protection Net can be used for leaf collection as well. Tenax Plant and Pond Protection Net is lightweight and easy to install. Simply drape the net over the vegetation you wish to protect and secure with ties to the ground with staples for low-growing vegetation. For pond application, stretch Tenax Plant and Pond Protect Net out over the pond surface and secure with ground staples around the pond perimeter.